Hi guys, this is your Punjabi chef Prateek and I welcome you all to another episode of Get Curried. Today I'm taking you all to the streets of Bangalore where we are going to make crispy fried chicken kebab. So let's start cooking. To start with the marination, first we are going to add 2 tablespoons of refined flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and third I'm going to take a separate bowl in which I'm going to break an egg, whisk it thoroughly and pour it over the flour mix. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 whole lemon squeeze, chopped green chili, and now we're going to add the masalas: coriander powder, red chili powder, garam masala and cumin powder, and lastly I'm going to add salt. Mix it nicely, and to get desired consistency I'm going to add little water. Now that we have got the desired consistency in the batter, the next step we are going to do is going to take chicken. I got half kg of chicken and put it in the batter and coat the chicken nicely. Once the coating is done, I'm going to set it aside and let it rest for at least 20 to 25 minutes. Now that I have set aside the chicken to rest in the fridge, I'm going to prepare a quick coriander and mint chutney. For that, first I'm going to take coriander, next mint, onion, few garlic cloves, few green chilies, and let's just blend it now. As you see, our chutney is ready, but I'm left with the lemon. The reason I've not added lemon in the beginning because lemon are acidic in nature. They will discolor the chutney, so always add lemon at the ending. So now I'm going to take a lemon squeezer, squeeze it over the chutney. I'm going to top up with some salt. Now mix it nicely. Our chutney is ready. I'm going to transfer it into a bowl and put it in the fridge. We'll move on to the next stage, that is frying. But before we fry the chicken, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of rice flour, which will give a nice crispiness to the kebab once they are ready. After coating the chicken with the rice flour, I'm going to heat up my oil, keep it on high flame, and once the oil reaches its maximum temperature, I'm going to reduce the heat to medium, and then I'm going to start frying the chicken so that our chicken doesn't get burned. While frying, make sure you fry the chicken in batches so that the oil temperature doesn't drop. And while frying the chicken, put one piece at a time. And now I'm going to fry the chicken for at least 6 to 8 minutes. After frying the chicken kebab, place the chicken kebab in a paper towel so that the excess oil gets soaked, and follow the same for the rest. There you go guys, our Bangalore fried chicken kebab is now ready. Do share your love in the comment section below. I'll see you soon in the next episode. Till then, take good care of yourself and keep cooking.